Hi, welcome to this video. It's another interesting video. The top 10 largest airplanes in the whole wide world. You know it's all about the tech something. If you love tech, then there's no reason why you wouldn't watch this video to the end. Number 10. Antonov AN-124 Ruslan. Country of nationality, Ukraine. AN-124 Ruslan is a large 4-engine aircraft designed and developed by Antonov Design Bureau in the Ukrainian SSR. This cargo airplane was designed and developed during the Soviet Union. In fact, it is the second heaviest gross weight production cargo airplane in the whole world, behind AN-225 Mriya. This cargo airplane commenced service as far back as July 2013. Current status: it is currently in service. Number 9. Boeing Dreamlifter. Dreamlifter is a cargo aircraft developed by Boeing. It was designed to transport Dreamlifter parts between Italy, Japan, and the USA. It was very instrumental also during the COVID-19 pandemic, as it was used to transport medical supplies during this period all around the world. It first flew on September 9, 2006, and officially in 2007 the cargo airplane commenced operation. Current status: in service. It's currently in service. Number 8. Airbus A380-800. Country of nationality, multinational, France, Germany, and the UK. This is one of Airbus's many airplanes, and A380 is a wide-bodied airliner developed by this company. It is said to be the world's largest passenger airliner, and it provides seating for 525 to 853 passengers at a flight. Current status: it is currently in service. Number 7. Stratolaunch. Country of nationality, United States of America. This aircraft was built by Scale Composites for Stratolaunch System. It's an American company, and it was built to carry air-launched to orbit rockets. This aircraft flew for the first time on the 13th of April 2019. Current status: in service. Number 6. Airbus A350-1000. Country of nationality, France, Germany, and UK. It's multinational. This Airbus A350 is developed by Airbus, and this airplane first flew on the 24th of November 2016. It provides a seating for between 340 to 410 passengers at a flight. On the 24th of January 2018, this airplane, Airbus A350-1000, commenced service. Current status: it is in service. Number 5. Lockheed C-5 Galaxy. Country of nationality, the United States of America. Lockheed C-5 Galaxy is a large military aircraft. It was developed by Lockheed in the US. This aircraft has been in service with the United States Forces since 1969. It was used during the US military conflicts including Vietnam, Iraq, Yugoslavia, and Afghanistan. It was also used to provide allied support to Israel during the Yom Kippur War and many others. It first flew on the 30th of June 1968. Current service, it is currently in service. Number 4, Airbus A340-600. This airplane is a long-range, wide-bodied passenger airliner developed by Airbus. This airplane was launched on the 8th of December 1997 and it flew for the first time on the 23rd of April 2001. It officially commenced service on the 1st of August 2002 and it provides seating to between 320 to 370 passengers at a flight. Current status is currently in service. Number 3, Boeing 747-8. Country of nationality, United States of America. This airplane was developed by Boeing Commercial Airplanes and it launched on November 14, 2005 and flew for the first time on February 8, 2010. It was officially launched for commercial use in June 2012. The Boeing 747-8 provides seating for about 364 passengers at a flight. The current status of this airplane currently in service. Number 2, Boeing 777X. Country of nationality, United States of America. Boeing 777X is also a long-range, wide-bodied, twin-engine jetliners by the Boeing Commercial Airplanes. This magnificent series of airplanes under Boeing 77X includes Boeing 777-8 and Boeing 777-9. Boeing 778 provides seating for a total of 384 passengers at a flight, while Boeing 7779 provides seating for 426 passengers at a flight. This program was initially proposed in the year 2010, and on January 25, 2020, the Boeing 7779 took its first flight, but is expected to fully commence operation in the year 2025. The current status of this airplane is flight testing. We hope to see its fully commenced operation come 2025. That is Number 1, Antonov AN225 Mivaya. This is the largest airplane in the whole world, designed by Antonov Design Bureau in the 1980s, developed by the same company, the Ukrainian SSRO, as a joint partnership between Ukraine and Russia during the Soviet Union. Its first flight flew on the 21st of December 1988. It is the largest by size, it is the heaviest by weight. It is unfortunate that only one of these airplanes was made. The second was in construction, but they were not able to complete the project as there was no longer the Soviet Union. And unfortunately, February 2022, this plane was destroyed during the Russian invasion of Ukraine. We hope that they will make another one soon. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to share your thoughts, like this video, share, and I'll see you in the next video.